Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my previous hair video, you might know I am on a hair growth journey now. So check it out. I have a very small amount of my natural roots, so that's happening. But I did want to do, I know that my hair videos are like the most anticipated videos on my channel, so I did want to still do fun videos with my blonde. So today I'm going to be using the Revlon Silver Blonde hair kits on my blonde. I'm not gonna bother my roots. They're very minimal anyway, but I don't plan on messing with them. I've had these two boxes sitting around for 8 months. There's literally dust. There's dust on them. They've been sitting around so long. As you can see, like, embarrassing, but whatever. As you can see, I got these on clearance. They were literally about $3 a box. Red flag, I know, but we're gonna try the Revlon Silver Box Dye today. I am nervous because I did silver one time several years ago, and it was like really pretty at first, and it was, but I just don't like it being like gray, or people being like, oh, you look like an old lady. Like, that irritates me. So I hope it's a really pretty silver, and if it washes out or fades, that is okay with me. So I need to actually take my hair down. One thing though, I do think it will look pretty with brown roots. Like, as my hair grows out, I'm not worried about it looking crazy. Oh my gosh. Check it out. It looks really wild because my braid, I slept in it, and it always, yeah. But yeah, this is the before. Alright guys, it's going pretty smoothly. I did this side of my head, the right side, and I still have product left, so I'm not opening the second box just yet, but we'll see what happens. Fun fact, we are working with ammonia-free product right now. Last section, I'm about to open the second box because just for this little section, but I gotta do what I gotta do. And I also wanted to say, it has been kind of hard to stay off the roots during this because, you know, especially when I'm in the back of my head and I can't see. But because this is like a kind of toner color, like it's not like bleached or anything, I don't think it's really gonna be affecting the roots. Box number 2. I think my biggest fear is that it would be splotchy, like silver and yellow. So I am gonna try and make sure I saturate some of the spots I already got because I don't want silver yellow. I'm just pretty much gonna try to make sure everything's saturated. Look how gray this side is. Still some blonde showing through. I'm scared. This is it, guys. We'll now wait about 20 minutes till we rinse. Post shower, I definitely don't hate it, I'll tell you that much. Hey guys. Alright, so this is where we're at. I've been like trying to do a little blowout. It's still damp. This is where we're at. So I really like the top part. It's giving very much silver. Obviously down here where my hair was darker blonde, I didn't really like the yellow or the blonde showing through that much, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put it in a like French braid. That's like my go-to when I feel like I have patches or whatever. I do French braid. This is the initial result. So I changed my mind, and instead of doing the French braid, I just pulled this little piece back right here. So yeah, my hair is not, you can't really tell, but my hair is still not even fully dry. I have some wet spots, but I think this is pretty good for being a drugstore box silver. I feel pretty right now. I like my makeup and everything. I kind of hope it washes out decently quickly so I could have blonde back and try a different color. But yeah, this is the result. Let me know what you think. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.